guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Alyssa.
I'm Sick, also known as Garrett.
And we are the Leffersons.
And you may notice, we look a lot brighter today. We got new lights.
We do have new lights.
So we might be changing them. You might see me in my glasses every once in a while. But we're up in our YouTube game.
We're trying to, at least. We're trying to step up our YouTube game.
So Alyssa, what do we have today?
Today, we have a Bibbidi Bobbidi Box, but before we get into Bibbidi Bobbidi Box, we should mention a few things. In case if you're wondering, happy Saturday, guys. We are in Disney World right now.
Yeah.
So if you are not following us on Instagram, make sure you're following us. We are in Disney World literally for just the weekend from Friday to Sunday night. So if you want to follow us along on our Disney World adventures, make sure you're following us on Instagram. Also, we have a 2K giveaway going on right now, and that ends next Sunday. We'll leave the date here for you. The 2K giveaway will be linked down below in case if you haven't entered yet. So, yay! Okay, now it's time.
Just to warn you, this might be a lot of Alyssa talking, because I'm gonna drink my Theraflu.
Yeah, he's not feeling well, and we leave for Disney in 2 days. So.
And I had to sub today. So I had to teach, hence the voice.
He's like, I've had to yell all day. I'm like, welcome to my life.
I had to talk loud.
We don't yell all day, but
I do.
Talk loudly. By the end of the day, my voice hurts too sometimes in kindergarten.
All
but
right, go for it.
It's time, Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes. If you are unfamiliar with the company Bibbidi or Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes, we will leave all their information linked down below. They are an amazing subscription service. This is the Disney subscription service, but they also have a Harry Potter vault.
On top of the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes, which are Disney, the Harry Potter boxes, they have a Because collection. That's Because.
Yeah.
And it is a monthly box that then they give back proceeds to a cause. This month is for the Australian relief effort because Australia was on fire.
Yeah. So we actually purchased this month, and so we should be getting that like early February. So we'll do another unboxing of that because it's Roo and like kangaroo themed. So that's why we purchased literally everything. But this is the Disney subscription box, and we get the fantasy box. They have a lot of different options. This one retails for $59.99. We're just gonna get right into it. You're supposed to obviously get more than what you paid. Oh, how cute! Okay, so it kind of seems like it's a Valentine's Day themed one because it says, "You've stolen my heart," and oh my gosh, this is adorable. It's Rapunzel and Flynn Rider. I kind of want to put this on my Valentine's Day pin board.
Do it, honey. Do it.
But I have the up one. Oh, now I don't know. Okay, this is literally just like their little card that they put in every month, but I'm totally gonna keep this. I love it.
The other piece of paper on top was the spoiler alert, which is the packing list.
Oh,
Stop
honey,
laughing at me.
You sound so terrible.
I do.
I'm so sad. There's this cute little sticker here, Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes. We're gonna just open it right up and see lots of the little floofies, the little floofies. And what are we gonna see first? Okay, I see something up. I see something up. Put it down because we're gonna get these floofies all over the place.
Well, yeah, I already felt them falling on my
Okay, oh my gosh, it's a tumbler.
Oh, that's
Oh my
cool.
gosh, this is so cute. Okay. Look at this tumbler. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it says adventure is out there, and it is like super duper sparkly. This is obviously up themed. Look, and even on the bottom, there's like little confetti sparkles. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Is this from, I wonder if this is a small shop.
I think it is.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It is a small shop. Yes, I've been wanting small shop items. Ladies, keep this small shop coming because I love the small shops. This is from Girly Girl Creations. Girly Girl Creations. And they have a Facebook page, so we will leave them down below. Hair instructions, hand wash only, not dishwasher safe. I cannot put this in the dishwasher. Garrett yells at me because I put way too many things in the dishwasher that I'm not supposed to put in there. This is not going in the dishwasher, so. We use these cups every single day. I use them every single day for my iced coffee for work. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to use this. I am obsessed with this. Okay, you could just stop there, really.
Okay,
I'm
well that's
obsessed.
the video for today. So please like and subscribe. Make sure to enter for our 2K giveaway. And that's all. See you later.
Okay, just kidding. What else is in the box?
Hey.
Yes! Okay.
So it is a Disney Wishables. We unpackaged these, not too long ago. We'll leave it linked.
We will.
But we were massively disappointed.
We were.
So there's the Ferris wheel, Tower of Terror, Tree of Life, and Spaceship Earth. And we got 3 of these ding-dong things and nothing else.
No, we got 3 of these and then one of the Tree of Life. And technically we do have a Tower of Terror. We traded a Tower of Terror with Valerie from Singer Family Adventures. I'll leave her channel link down below. We're just gonna open it. So all we need is Spaceship Earth. If we get Spaceship Earth, then life is... I don't think this is Spaceship Earth. It's not. It's the Tree of Life.
I'm okay with it.
But at least we didn't get another one of these. What are they even? What's it even called? Pixar Pal Around attraction. I do also like they put this little sticker on there if it's a Disney Parks exclusive. So this is a Disney Parks exclusive, and we already have it. It's in our background back here. You can't see it, but hopefully we can trade either this or we have one more of the other Ferris wheel thing for Spaceship Earth. So yay! Okay. What else?
I think this is our last item.
Okay.
It's a pen.
It is.
There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Yes! I love it.
Shining at the end of every day.
There's a great big
So it's a
beautiful
carousel of
tomorrow.
progress. Stop talking.
I love this.
This is a Carousel of Progress 45th anniversary pin, and it has Mr. What's-His McNoodle on the inside there. So there's a moving element. And this is a limited edition, let's see, of what? LE of 2000.
Oh, nice.
So here, will you hold the box?
Nice.
So let me get in here.
I love Carousel of Progress. I think I did add Carousel of Progress to our preferences. I'm obsessed with Carousel of Progress.
It's pretty amazing.
Yes.
I gotta say, the lighting does help show the pins a lot better, I must say.
Oh gosh.
I'm just saying. So yeah, so it's on a hinge, and I forget this guy's name in the show, but if you're not familiar with Carousel of Progress, it's a great air-conditioned little ride through technology. I like it.
If you're in Disney World and you need an afternoon nap or an escape from the heat, it's a great little relaxing time. And it's a classic. And they just sing, "There's a great big beautiful tomorrow" the entire time. It's so great.
No. They only sing it as you transition from scene to scene. It's not like It's a Small World where they sing it the entire time.
But
Alyssa sings it in her head the entire time.
And then when we leave, I just sing it the whole rest of the day, so it's fine. I also have a shirt. I should have worn that today.
Oh my gosh.
I also have a shirt. I made a shirt with my Cricut that says, "There's a great big beautiful tomorrow, shining at the end of every day." So yes, living for this pin. All right, is that it?
That's it.
Okay,
Let's check out the packing slip. So how much was this box retail?
It was $59.99.
$59.99.
A $60 box, yes.
So, the Disney Parks Authentic Limited Edition Trading Pin Tomorrowland Carousel of Progress 45th Anniversary retails for $18.
Love this pin. Love it, love it, love it. And we don't have it, too, which is awesome.
BBB, which is probably Bibbidi Bobbidi Box, and Girly Girl Creations Custom Glitter 20-ounce tumbler up is $40.
Oh, $40. Wow.
So that leads me to believe this is an exclusive tumbler to Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes.
Wow. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful though. I totally would pay $40 for this item. This is an item I didn't know existed. And if I did know, I would have purchased it myself. So
Probably.
I'm obsessed with it.
And the Disney Parks Icons Wishables.
Oh, the Wishables.
Retails for $10.
$10, $9.99.
$9.99.
So what did it bring our box to?
Oh my gosh.
Come on, Garrett, get it together.
$68.
You have to say the exact amount.
$67.98.
An amazing box. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what was your favorite item out of the 3? Okay, we're gonna have to cut this one out because we already have it. So out of the 2.
The Carousel of Progress pin. I'm always down for a good LE pin.
Yes, and I absolutely love this, and I'm so glad that they put this in our box.
Maybe we should try and hit it up when we're there.
I'm so excited, yes. And oh my gosh, I'm just so happy. I'm literally going to bring my iced coffee to work tomorrow morning in this cup. So excited.
Basic.
So excited. Why do I get excited about the like smallest things? Okay, it's time. We've got to stop. I'm sorry I'm getting too excited about a mug or a cup. It shouldn't happen.
It's a tumbler.
It's a tumbler. I know. It's fine. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to head over to our 2K giveaway if you have not checked that out yet. We have amazing items and we're going to be adding to it. We're going to pick something else out at the parks this weekend. So
you know
also
what?
follow us on Instagram too to figure out what that item is.
Maybe we should do a poll on Instagram.
What?
Of item.
Well, I was thinking like we could like post a picture, like if I see something that's amazing or we see something that's amazing, we can be like, what do you guys think about this? And then you guys can comment and be like, yes, no, you know, whatever. So yeah.
But that goes for like another week.
It does. The giveaway goes for another week. So make sure you enter and leave a comment down below. Let us know what your favorite item was. Or if you don't have a YouTube channel, let us know what you got in your Bibbidi Bobbidi Box. We always like to hear that. And subscribe to our channel for more Disney content.
Also,
yes.
What's your favorite home remedy to take care of a cold? I'm gonna crowdsource
because
this.
Now that he has a cold, I'm gonna get a cold. And then it's just gonna be another cycle of colds. All right, thank you guys so much for watching and we will see you real soon. Bye guys.
See you later.